Children, this is for 8th standard. Already we have taken the lesson plant kingdom. Under the plant kingdom, we can divide the plant kingdom into two. One is cryptogams, other one is phanerogams. The cryptogams we have seen already, that is non-flowering plants. Under the non-flowering plants, we have seen three divisions. They are thallophyte, thallophyta, bryophyta and pteridophyta. Yes, P is silent, I said. Do you remember? So, under the plant kingdom, that is divided into two kinds, cryptogams and phanerogams. So, cryptogams, non-flowering plants, phanerogams, flowering plants. Under the non-flowering plants, thallophyta, bryophyta and pteridophyta. In the previous classes we have seen what are the importance of that. We cannot differentiate them into root, stem and leaves. So only we can find out only one part. The thallophyta, even bryophyta is somewhat developed from that, and pteridophyta is the highest of cryptogams. It is otherwise known as vascular cryptogams. Pteridophyta is known as vascular. What is vascular? That is xylem and phloem. Xylem which contains water, phloem which contains water and minerals and food particles. Okay, yeah. So this we have seen, the structure, habitat, economic importance, uses, everything we have seen in that. What are the diseases caused by the fungi, everything we have seen in the previous classes. Now we have to say what is phanerogams. Phanerogams are flowering plants. That is, these plants do not produce the flowers, they have produced the flowers. Both the sexes are different. They fertilized, they produce the seed, fruits, everything. From the seed only we got the flower, from the flowers only we got the seeds, okay, yeah, simultaneously. This is known as flowering plants. Under the flowering plants, there are two divisions. One is angiosperm, other one is gymnosperm. So, what are the differences between angiosperm and gymnosperm? We have to see. Angiosperm, seeds are naked. Both the thing, they are flowering plants. Flowering plants means certainly what should be the seeds. Here, seeds in the naked condition, that is opened. As soon as you open the fruit, you can see the seeds. Here, seeds enclosed. That is, seeds are covered with a thing, what I say. Seeds must be covered, that is pericarp. Seed is covered with the pericarp. Clear? So, angiosperm and gymnosperm. Now, we have to see what is angiosperm, what are the plants come under the angiosperm, and what is gymnosperm, what are the plants, what are the uses, how they help in the plant field. Okay? Let us see now. Gymnosperm, they have developed the cells, though they have the vascular tissues. That is xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem is not only one part. Xylem has 4 vessels. Phloem also got the 4 vessels. Now we have to see what is angiosperm. That is seeds naked, I say. That is seeds are open condition. Angiosperm further divides into 4. They are cycadales, Conifers, needles. So, what are the 4 kinds of angiosperm? I said already, it comes under phanerogams, it is a flowering plant. Angiosperm seeds are naked. So, it has 4 subdivisions, that is cycadales, gingols, conifers and needles. So, shaped on the leaves, we have divided them into 4. First we will see cycadales. What are cycadales? They are palm-like plants. Palm-like plants, palm, you know that panamarum. So like that, cycas, this and all come under cycadales. Okay. Then gingols, they are fan-shaped leaves. The leaves are fan-shaped. Okay, they are fan-shaped leaves. They produce unpleasant smell. Next one we have to say coniferales. Coniferales, they produce the cones. They are seen in evergreen forest. Coniferal trees can be seen in evergreen forest. It can be always in, evergreen means what? Always greenish. Coniferals, and leaves are like needles, needle shaped leaves. Needle, you know what is it? Needle shape. நம்ம பிடி பண்ணும்போது கூட you have to needle and thread பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. Okay? And needles, they are the small group of plants. They possess mostly advanced characters, and they are the, among all the angiosperm, they are very useful to us. So angiosperm is a naked seed plant. It has 4 divisions: cycadales, gingols, coniferals and needles. G silent here. Cycadales, I said it is cycas, like palm like trees. This is gingols, it's a group of trees. It has the fan shaped. Coniferals, needle shaped leaves, which is otherwise known as, it is found in evergreen forest. And needles, this is the highest category of the cryptonerogams. Now what are the importance, economic importance? Wood of many conifers are used in the paper industries. So coniferous trees, now we have to see what are the uses. What are the uses? It is in paper industry. What is used in paper industry? The woods. The woods of the coniferous trees are used in paper industries. They are the soft wood for construction. Even for construction purpose they are used. Okay. And then turpentine, it's an essential oil. It is extracted from the pinus tree. We are getting the palm oils. It relieves some pains. And one of the epidarin is an alkaloid. It helps in the treatment of asthma. We are treating for, it can be curable. Epidarin, by using epidarin is a chemical from that, zoological, botanical thing, it's a medicinal. By using that we can cure the asthma. And it is one of the plant, it is used as ornamental. So ornamental means what? Just for beauty, beautify the surrounding. What are the things? The woods are, the hard woods are used in paper industries, and soft woods are used in construction purposes, construction, building up the process. And oil, that turpentine oil is taken from the pine tree. It is used for to relieve the pain and all. Epidarin is the medicinal thing we are getting from the angiosperm, and it is used in the treatment of asthma. Then it is, some of the plants are used as ornamental plants. Now we have seen what is angiosperm, what are the divisions of angiosperm, what are the economic importance of angiosperm. Now we have to see, gymnosperm. Now we have to see angiosperm. Angio means closed, that is seeds are closed. Okay, now we have to say gymnosperm. Okay, yeah. Angiosperm. We got the specimens in our lab. So, in the regular classes I will show everything to you. So, this is gymnosperm, I said seeds naked. Now, we have to go for angiosperm, that is seeds are enclosed. Okay, yeah. The same like gymnosperm we have seen cycadales, needles, gingols, coniferals, and then needles, I said 4 kinds we have seen the economic importance. The same like we have to see for angiosperm. Here seeds in closed condition. Okay, yeah. What are the subdivisions of that? Dicotyledon and monocotyledon. What is dicotyledon? When the new plant started to grow, no? So first beginning, that is next to the seed. From the seed only the plant started to grow. From the seed, two cotyledon seed means that is dicotyledon. Di means what? Two. And monocotyledon, only one seed. So angiosperm divided into two categories. One is dicotyledon and monocotyledon. All the plants we have seen on our surface also belongs to this category only. In the ground we have seen no. All the plants come under this category. It may be either monocotyledon or dicotyledon. Then what are the characteristics of dicotyledon and monocotyledon? How we can differentiate? That is, dicotyledon, it has two seedlings. Monocotyledon, it has one. So let me write here what are the things. Dicotyledon and monocotyledon. I'll write short here. Okay, yeah, it's given in the book very clearly. Dicotyledon, di means what I said, two cotyledons. Here, only one cotyledon. Next point, it has taproot system. That is, roots are penetrated into the soil, it cannot be easily uprooted. This is fibrous root system. Easily it can be uprooted. Then leaves, the leaves we can see the venation, no? Leaves line up, that is known as venation. This is reticulate venation. Reticulate, complicated. This is parallel venations. Then pollination, we can separate them into flowers are tetramentorous, tetramerous or pentamerous. Tetra means what? 4. Penta means 5. That is cotyledon, the leaves. That is, for a plant, what are the parts we have seen? First calyx. Next to calyx, corolla, antheridium, archegonium. Okay, yeah, this is external structures. This is reproductive structures. So, in this, we have seen reticulate venation, leaves, we have seen reticulate venation and parallel venation. We can calyx and the corolla, we can be differentiated in the monocotyledon. This calyx and corolla can be differentiated. Here, calyx and corolla may not differentiated. Pollination, pollination you know. What is pollination? Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. This is pollen grain. Okay, yeah. This is what I said. This is pollen grain. This is pollen grains. Okay, yeah. This pollen grain transfer of, this is stigma. Okay, yeah. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma is known as pollination. The dicotyledon pollination is by insects. Here monocotyledon pollination by wind. Wind means what? By air. This is ovary, ovule, style. This one is what? Stigma. This is filament. This one is anther. So, transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma is known as pollination. Here pollination occurs by birds. or insects. Here by wind. Okay. Example of thing, mango, banyan tree, bean, neem and all. Here we can see grass, paddy, banana. So let me recall again what are the differences between monocot and dicot. Dicot, it has two cotyledons. It has single cotyledon. Your taproot system, this is fibrous root system. Your venation, that is leaves, venation, we have seen reticulate venation, parallel venation. Pollination, I said what is pollination? Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma is known as pollination. This is pollination by birds, insects, pollination by wind. Then example for the dicotyledon we can say mango, bean and neem. Monocotyledon, wheat, banana and then what? Grass. This is taproot system, this is fibrous root system. This one is calyx. For the flower, outer structure you have seen, no? For flower packaging like this. This is calyx. It is green color. This is corolla. This is calyx, this is corolla. This one what I said, antheridium, that is antheridium, archegonium. These two are accessory organ just for the beauty and this is for reproductive organ. Clear? So we have seen very clearly that what is the cryptogams and phanerogams. Cryptogams, non-flowering plants. Under the heading we have seen thallophyta, bryophyta and pteridophyta. Here we have seen angiosperm and gymnosperm flowering plants and what are the importance. Now we have to see taxonomy. Taxonomy means what? Classification of plants, classification of living things. We have classified them according to their characteristics, habitat, we are classifying them. This is known as what? Taxonomy. Taxonomy classification. So there are many systems of classification, artificial, natural, phylogenetic and modern system of classification. At present we are using modern system only. Artificial is created by Carolus Linnaeus, natural by Bantam and Oker. So at present we are using Carolus Linnaeus system as well as more natural system of classification. Then binomial nomenclature. Binomial means bi means two. How we got the names the same like plants also got names. That is they got two names together. That is one genus name, one species name. Let me see what it is. Binomial nomenclature. Is it clear, children? Any doubts you can ask us. Binomial nomenclature. Binomial by two names. We are giving like that. One is genus name, other one is species name. By using the genus name in capital letters and species name in small letter. For example, hibiscus Simbarithi we are saying shoe flower. This is hibiscus rosa sinensis. This is genus name, this is species name. The species name you can see only one plant. The genus name, under the genus at least 10 plants are together. For example, this is what I say, shoe flower and hibiscus esculenthus. This is lady's finger. So both the hibiscus, that is shoe flower and lady's finger, both come under one genus, that is hibiscus. Species name are different, that is rosa sinensis and esculenthus.